when you wear a pair of glasses for the first time, or you put a hearing aid on, or you ride a bicycle, you drive a car. They always feel new at first until they become completely second nature. And that's what I think will happen with this technology, as with every other technology before it. What's happening now, what all of these signals point towards, is we're being joined on that network by these machines. They're not intelligent. None of them are intelligent, but they are clever.
You're going to have to validate and make sure that you've got all the information that you need to get through this obstacle.
But there's a bottom left-hand button just next to the joystick, so just on the left-hand side. Don't push it yet. There.
Because human connection is the single most important thing that we have to work out how we're going to maintain as we move through the next even decade, even 5 years.